If you're thinking about adding a deck to your home in 2025, you need to watch this video first. We've helped hundreds of homeowners through the deck building process, and like anything else in the home improvement world, finding the right information can mean the difference between tens of thousands of dollars of mistakes being made or not. So today I'm going to break down the exact pros and cons of each type of decking materials out there so that you can make the right choice for your home and your family. I'll cover everything from pressure treated wood to high-end composites, and most importantly help you understand which option will give you the best long-term value. This isn't about pushing the most expensive option. It's about helping you choose the right material that matches your goals, your budget, and your lifestyle. Let's get into it. So the difference between the two most common types of decking materials is pressure treated wood or composite decking. Pressure treated wood is great for people who really like an outdoors wood look. It's also great if it's a very sunny area because it doesn't get as hot in the sunlight. And it's also great because it could be stained or painted any color, which gives you a wide variety of different options that you're not stuck with on a product that comes pre-manufactured or pre-painted. But wood is not perfect. It can splinter, it can crack. It's going to be high maintenance, so that means every 1 to 4 years you're going to have to restain that product. And it's also a deck that if it's in the shade, it can get very moldy or mildewy. So keep those things in mind when considering a wood deck. Now let's talk about composite decking. The pros of composites are it's very low maintenance. It won't crack or splinter like wood will, and it's much longer lasting. With that said, it does cost a lot more than wood decking. You can't change the color, so once you buy it, it's the color that it's going to be. You can't restain it like you can with wood. And if it's very sunny, if your deck is in a lot of sunlight, they do get quite hot. So if your feet are sensitive or you have little kids, you might think or consider the fact that a composite deck is going to get a little bit warmer in the sunlight. So if you're still wondering which one is right for you, then I would say if budget is the driving factor, then pressure treated decking is going to be the solution for you. But if low maintenance and hassle-free lifestyle is more important, then I would stick with composites. And if you're unsure and you're somewhere in the middle, then you could always do a pressure treated wood deck with a vinyl rail, or you can do a cheaper composite deck board with a cheaper vinyl rail or even a wood rail. So that's the main difference between wood and composite decking. If you have more questions, we do have another video that is right here, and that covers some of the other most common questions that we get asked about decking. We hope this guide helps you make the right choice for your home. If you'd like expert help planning your perfect deck, click the link in the description to schedule a consultation with our team. We'll walk through all of your options in detail to help you create an outdoor space that your family can enjoy for generations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement insights, and we'll see you in the next video.